Welcome back to Chiheng channel. Today I'm going to show how to handle file with C++ program. We can use C++ to read, write and edit the file. First, we need include fstream library to handle the file. And we also include iostream and string library so we can output the content we read from the file. We need to store the content read from the file in a variable, and most of the time the file content is string, so that's why we add string library in this program. ifstream is used to open existing file and read the content inside, while the ofstream is used to open or create file and write content into the file. Besides, we also need to construct object for ifstream and ofstream before using it. For example, ifstream object and ofstream object.
I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning.
Now we will learn to use this ifstream. It is used to get the file for read purpose. Now we have construct a ifstream called hello. After that, we will open file with hello. We use hello.openFile path in bracket to open file. Now we copy this file path and we change the backslash to the slash. Alternatively, we can open file with constructor by include file path in the bracket. But now, we use open function first.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype.
We can use a variable to store the content read from the file, and the expression is file object double right chevron variable. Like now, this case we use hello double right chevron x, but with this method it will only read and save one character.
I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Now it only shows the first character in the file, hello. Now we try again, but this time we open file with constructor. It is same as we open file with open function. We can use getLine function to read and save one line file content. GetLine function have three parameters. First one is object of iStream class, or simply say the file. Second one is the string variable we wish to save the content. Third one is delimitation character. It's used to stop the reading the file after reach the character. But in this video, we are not going to use the third parameter. Now let's try it. GetLine, hello, and hi. It shows the first line of the file, and next, if you wish to store or display all the content in the file, we need looping to read all the lines in the file. So now we try to output the whole file content. We use while loop, and the condition we use getLine, hello, and hi in bracket. The while loop will stop after last line executed. We add \n to add new line at the end of sentence. Now we see that it displays exactly the content of the file. After we read the file, now we are going to write the content into the file. To write content into the file, we need construct file object with OF string. Now we create a file object together with existing file path first. After that, we will write something into the file. We write welcome to 17hand.com/n nice to meet you. Okay, now we will execute it, and we will check the file with the notepad after execution. Now we can see that the file content overwritten with the text just now. Next, we will learn how to write content into file without overwrite the existing file content. The process is almost same as just now. Only one thing we need to do, we add iOS _app fragment, open the file, so the content we write will append to the end of the file. We change the content which will write into the file. We can see that the content we write just now are at the end of the file, and previous content still exists. And now we go to the last part, create new file and write content on it. Basically, the steps still the same, just change the file path to the location you wish to save and the name of file you like. This folder now only contains a file called hello.txt. And now we will save a new file called ichiheng.txt to this folder. Now the file name is here created, and let's see the content. It is exactly same as the content we write just now. The last important thing we need to know for file handling in C++ that is cross file, because we need to cross the file after using it to prevent unexpected issue happening. Closing file is very easy. Just use this close function, file write dot close. That's it. Today we have learned how to read and write the file with C++. If you think this video useful, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.